Accounting firms, we're stealing stuff from other professions we may not should be stealing. As we grow and create firms, a lot of times we steal methodologies from other industries, and that's fine. Like for our firm, we love to study creative design type professionals. Blair Enns, Tim Williams, these are guys we love to read. But one thing we can do is we can steal other things that possibly we shouldn't be stealing. So as an example, we do a podcast in our firm called the Businessology Show. We've been doing that for about 5 years. And that is our specific goal to market to creative agencies. Well, we just had a guest on there today, and he said we've stolen, basically service-based marketing has stolen sales funnels from other industries. So let me explain what he's talking about. So you may have heard the terminology sales funnels, marketing funnels, and basically these are just funnels where you give out content, you draw people in with a certain piece of free content, you get them to a lead status, you get them to a sales status, then you get them in front of you, and then you make your sell. He said that works really well for products. So if you're selling an online product or something like that, you can put it through a funnel, and if you get about 1,000 people in, it's math. You're going to have 100 people fall out the back end and purchase your product. He said service-based companies have stolen that, and they try to apply that to their marketing for the service company. He said it doesn't work as well, and I thought that was interesting that you can't really build funnels for like accounting firms is what he was saying. And so I asked him what's the difference, and he said, well, typically if you have a product-based company, the CEO is a person, and then they hire a salesperson or business development or product manager or somebody like that that's selling the product, and then the product is separate. All those three things are separate things. He said a lot of times in small service-based companies, the CEO is the salesperson and is also the product. So we're selling ourselves, and he said it's really weird to sell yourself and then go turn around and become Superman, right, and save the day, and then deliver the thing that you just sold. And so the funnels don't work as well, because what we are is we're really intimate related services. And so we've stolen building these funnels thinking math is going to work out, or Facebook ads are just going to generate what we hope they're going to generate, when really pre-selling our authority or our expertise and positioning ourselves that way in the marketplace is more important. We have to produce content. We have to prove that we're experts. So we have to speak and write and spend time with people in networking and things like that. And that takes time. So we should do more time focused on building human relationships than building funnels. And I'm not saying some of that doesn't work, but we may struggle to do that. Another thing we've stolen, I think, is packaging services. I think online products do that too. You can go to purchase things from an online product. You can get the team version, unlimited team version, or you can get the solo version or the free version of this online cloud product. Well, that's who started those packages, and 3 options are optimal to do that. And accounting firms have done that too. We do packages. And what we're doing is we're trying to simplify the sales process, right? We want to just run humans, through a funnel as quickly as we can. So, and I'm not even saying packages are wrong. I'm just saying we can become imbalanced and forget the truth, and that is intimacy in the sales that we do as service-based businesses. And that's what this guest on the Businessology Show was saying. He's saying there's a lot of intimacy in selling yourself to somebody. There's a lot of trust that has to be built. Trust takes work to build. So people who sell themselves well don't always just steal an idea from somewhere else and hope a funnel does the work. No, you have to do pre-sale activity, and pre-sale activity is basically building trust. And trust can be done a lot of ways, with videos, with podcasts. Particularly this guest helps people use podcasts to build trust with their audience, which is pretty cool. And it does work because we do it with the Businessology Show in our firm. And so it was just amazing to hear the things that our professions are possibly stealing. And so we want to be careful when we steal. And stealing is not bad, right? It's good, but we want it to be balanced. And so basically what we want to do is just recognize really who we are. We are very valuable people. We offer knowledge from our brains. We give this knowledge to other humans. Those relationships take a long time to build. And so what's probably true, and the guest said this, is that we're all underpricing ourselves. And basically what that means is a human-to-human relationship is just a really valuable thing. It is an extremely valuable thing that all of us enjoy and appreciate in our lives. And so when we're selling that, the value of that is probably much higher than we recognize. And I think it's because we think of ourselves as a product, right? We're selling accounting and taxes, but we're not. We're actually selling ourselves, our experience, our abilities to make judgments about our clients, their ability to trust us, our ability to challenge them when we think we could, and the fact that they can listen to somebody that they trust. That is all extremely valuable stuff. So I think the hard part is really positioning that stuff, right? Is saying, here's what I sell. It's easy to say we sell accounting services and taxes. And in fact, you can trick your client. If you sell packages, you're really commoditizing yourself, right? You're saying, think of me only in terms of packages. I'm only $900 a month. When really, for an intimate relationship where people can share trusted, private things with people, they may pay $9,000 a month. I don't know, depending on how important their business is and the decisions they're making. So packages, in a sense, can force the commoditization of a client to perceive us in that way if we're not careful. So I think all of this is just things you balance. But I just wanted to remind us, we want to be careful when we steal things from other industries. It's not bad, but we don't want it to shroud the real truth. And the real truth is that we're very, very valuable humans, and we sell to very valuable people. And I think that's really important to remember and never lose sight of, and to even challenge our clients to believe that and pay for that truth and the thing that they really want. So I hope that helps you run your firm and really change lives in 2019. Love you guys. See you.